Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holders? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to see about Shiba Inu today. Seems like we have got massive news and a lot of companies accepting Shiba. Plus, Shiba Inu could lead the bull run. That's what we're going to see in this video today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. This channel is all about making money and also trading responsibly, guys. So I'm not here to overpump any coins. I'm going to keep it very real to make some money along the way. Okay, let's get into the video. A disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before buying or selling any coin. Please don't take my advice and see the video and buy any coins. Okay, so you can see here Shiba purchases continue as the meme tokens could revolutionize next bull run, right? So it could be possible. That's because we know for a fact that the crypto market is going down because of the Omicron variant. Almost 8 to 10% down. The top 10 to 15 coins, everything is down, guys, right? But then the fact is, Shiba Inu price point is very attractive. It's less than a penny, and you can get thousands and millions of coins for a very less amount of money. So in terms of percentage, when there is a bull run, Ethereum could go 20% up, or maybe 30 to 40, 30% up, right? But then Shiba Inu can definitely go like 70, 80% up. That's what Shiba Inu is capable of. That's because we have seen a lot of things happening in the last 4 to 8 weeks. Shiba Inu has been the most bought token on the top 10 Ethereum wallets. We have seen that the whales have been loading this pretty aggressively. Whenever we see there's a big dip in Shiba Inu, whales are always following Shiba Inu, and then they're dumping the money pretty hardly. So as we as retail investors, we got to make sure that we follow the smart money, because smart money knows how to harvest good profit. So we just have to follow them. As you can see here, the top 10 purchase tokens: USDC, which is the stable against the US dollar, and then Ethereum, the big boy, and then CRO, which I bought recently in this dip. Crypto.com coin, I'm pretty bullish on that. And then there's some metaverse coins are there as well. Plus you see Matic, and then here you go, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is definitely the top 10 purchase tokens in the last 24 hours, guys. This clearly tells you once there is a bull run, Shiba Inu can massively, very much possible to lead the bull run with 40 to 50% increase, or even doubling your money in a short period of time. You just have to hold it tight and hodl strong, guys. Like, it's not time to panic selling when the price goes down. When if you're a strong and responsible trader, I'm very sure what's happening in the market. This is quite simple. That's because crypto industry is always highly volatile, highly risk industry, but there's a lot of money to be made here. You know what? I love this article. See this article here with the bull. These graphic designers, they are amazing these days. With the colors in that, and a bull with a Shiba Inu crown on that shows that Shiba Inu is going to be the king in the meme token industry. So it's going to be great, guys. As you can see here, it's just how mid-December now. Almost 15 companies have already accepted Shiba Inu as a payment. We're going to see one by one here, right? So on December 11th, Flexa, it's a global leader in accepting payments. It's a pure digital payment platform. And then what happens is, here you can across the US, we can have access to 40,000 stores, and then Shiba Inu can be accepted as a payment. So that's pretty massive, guys. 40,000 numbers is a big number, and then you can go and pay in those stores using Flexa as a digital payment. And also, we on December 9th, we know that Newegg has partnered with BitPay, and then BitPay is accepting Shiba Inu as a payment. So that's amazing. And also in the New York, there's a luxury branded sunglasses company called Nerdy Glasses accepted payment as Shiba Inu. Travala, an Australian based travel.com, which you can have access to more than 2 million plus hotels and 600 plus airlines, which you can book your travels and flights using Shiba Inu. That's one of the major catalysts out there, I guess, in Australian thing. Another Australian great AAA gaming studio, PlayStation Studios, I've signed a contract with Shytoshi, which has been very transparent in the Twitter platform. We are going to see in 8 to 10 months multi-layered video game industry, and metaverse. Shiba Inu is going to be a major role in that, guys. So AAA Studios contract has been signed already, and then bots in the US have have accepted Shiba Inu. Here you go, Kraken, a major listing like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. Well, not to forget, like, we have more than 500,000 signs, a signature for Robinhood, which is going to happen in early Q1, maybe mid of January or February. We are going to see Robinhood, and the price is going to soar, guys. So there are a lot of things. Ask the Doctor, who is a Canadian a whale, actually. He's pretty aggressive on Shiba Inu, they have already developed an app called Steps, where you can just use the app, and then they will burn the coins for you. The burn mechanism is happening pretty strongly with Shiba Inu. A lot of things happening, guys. That's what I'm saying. This coin could change lives, and you can retire early with SHIB. If you are invested a decent amount of money, and if you get in early, because there's a long way to go here. It's always pretty early stages for Shiba Inu. If it stays for the next 4 or 5 years, and then we're going to see some a lot of zeros burned, and then a lot of millionaires will be made on this coin. So I'm pretty confident on Shiba Inu's achievement so far, and then also the future looks pretty bright, guys. I've invested a decent amount of money in Shiba Inu, also to make sure that to how to have an exit plan, to take some profits along the way. You cannot just hold for the next 5 years and then expect the coin to go straight to $1, and you might lose everything. That's because this is going to be a highly volatile ride. You got to be very strong. You need to put your belts very strong. That's because there's going to be heavy bumps along the way. So when the price goes up like 100%, 150%, I definitely want you to have an exit plan in place, because you need to harvest your plants, and then probably when the coin cools off, which is cooling off, not crashing. And then there's a phase called consolidation. When the consolidation happens, you just have to re-enter with a better price, and then bring your average down while the coin consolidates. So that's my plan. I hope you like this video. I'm keeping it very real, guys. I'm very sure that you can make some decent money if you follow my channel. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.